In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run campaign on Mautic. Open your browser and head to your Mautic login page. Sign in with your account credentials and make sure you're using the correct environment where you intend to build and run campaigns. Once you're in, go to the campaigns area from the main navigation. This is where all of your marketing automations live. Create a new campaign by selecting the new option. Start by giving your campaign a clear descriptive name so you and your team can recognize its purpose at a glance. Next, add a helpful description. Use this space to explain the goal, the audience, and any key nuances, like which channel triggered the flow. These details make future edits and reporting much easier. Click Save to create the campaign shell, then launch the campaign builder. This opens the visual canvas where you'll design the journey. First, choose your contact source. You can start contacts from a campaign form or from existing segments. Forms are great for capturing new leads, while segments let you target a defined list. For this walkthrough, we'll use a behavioral trigger and select Clicked Link in any SMS. This sets the entry point to contacts who clicked a link from your SMS messages. Confirm your choice by clicking Add, and you'll see the entry node placed onto the canvas. Click the plus icon beneath that node to add the next step. You'll be prompted to choose between a decision, an action, or a condition. Decisions evaluate what a contact did, conditions check data about a contact, and actions do something to the contact. Since we want to send an email after the click, choose Action, then select Send Email. Give this email action a clear internal name. Set when the event should execute. Immediately is a straightforward option for real-time follow-ups. Then choose which email to send from the dropdown. You'll also select the email type. Choose marketing for promotional content or transactional for essential, non-promotional messages that shouldn't be throttled by frequency rules. Set a priority level if you run many simultaneous events. Higher priority ensures this action is processed sooner. Configure the number of attempts to handle temporary delivery issues. 1 to 3 retries is typical to balance persistence and system load. Click Add to place the email action on your canvas. When your flow looks good, click Save. You can stop here or build further by adding more actions, decisions, or conditions to branch the experience, but saving locks in the work you've done. That's it. You've created and configured a campaign in Mautic, from entry trigger to email follow-up, ready for your audience.